Morning, Manny. I'm just trying to get this link out real quick. So, let me just wait. I'll wait for a few more people to get in here. So, basically, I'm bullish on the day, but price action is just not looking too hot. Gold has been really good. And as U.S. markets, on the other hand, has been pretty bad. Good morning, Jalaluddin. Waited for the stream. What's up, Naveen? Yeah, so markets kind of being weird right now just because indices are kind of going back and forth. I'll still consider a trade right here on NASDAQ. We'll see. But it's been pretty weird. How do you wait for your live account? I don't know what you mean by that. How long do you wait for your live account? No, this isn't an active trade. I should probably take that off. I don't understand your question. How long do you wait for your live account? Like for it to get set up? Or what are you referring to? The only thing I'm watching right now is this as a possible inversion. Wrong one. And that would be I honestly don't think we would reach that target though. I feel like this would be a reasonable trade to take. Oh, to get your funding pips account. Honestly, like they kind of take a long time, because it'll be like 3 to 5 business days, and they have to review, and it'll be a few days. Like you might get it by the end of this trading week if you just passed it. London, Asia, and New York has the same period in forex and futures. Yes, it has the same period, but I would say with like forex, it moves a little bit like differently in the sense that like 7 to 10 is like peak hours for price to move on like Euro, USD, and GBP and all that. However, if you look at US markets indices, price doesn't move quite a bit until like 9:30. So it's different in that sense, but the hours themselves are the same. I don't I don't think I mean it could start moving bullishly right now, but right now it doesn't look a good time to be bullish, but I'm not going to be bearish either cuz we're at all-time highs. We have a bunch of buy side. There's no reason to be bearish. Um I'm bullish today. Oh my God. Let's see. Prices respecting these fair value gaps in here. I'm gonna throw a paper trade on to just throw a paper trade. Might come down and put it right here. So this is just a paper trade right now. See what comes of it. Kind of have bullish order flow right here. We took sell side with the assumption that this low is a protected low and that we're going to invert this 5-minute fair value gap. We'll just see what happens. Just to clarify, I'm not on a live account with this trade, just paper trading. How do you choose your bias? Is it higher time frame fair value gap or just sweep of previous session lows? So it kind of all depends. So like this week so far, we came down into this 4-hour on yesterday's Monday PM session. So far we've respected it. We've respected bullish order flow, and we have lots of highs in here. In terms of right here, we've traded, so Asia has expanded in my opinion. So when that happens, I like to see price to come down, and I don't need the whole entire Asia session to be ran, but if we could trade to the 0.5 area, then that's basically continuing what Asia did. So it's kind of like the way I look at this, Asia session expanded, so price only needs to come to the 0.5 area and then we expand. Whereas let's just say like this Asia session did not expand, so I would have wanted to see the high be ran, which is why I was bearish yesterday. Who is older, you or Mark? Guess. Guess who's older? Guys, who do you think is older, me or Mark? For the current day. I think I gave you enough info on the bias. My bias so far. Thankfully, guys, this was not a live trade. It's not looking too hot. Chris is older. That's a lie. Look at that. The mythical stop loss. Alright, let's see this hourly, if it'll hold. The 4-hour. Ooh, 4-hour just got inverted. You know what that means, boys. Let's mark that out real quick. Mark it out like Mark. So you have a liquidity sweep. You have the continuously respected 4-hour, and then that's on the higher time frame. But then in terms of the daily, we ran this buy side. When Asia session gets taken out, that usually ends up being the high day. So price is expecting that. And then the 30-minute, I think we have an hourly. The hourly was well respected right here. Back on futures accounts. Okay, bet. We might actually get a good setup right here. Hmm. 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 The daily. Oh yeah, the inversion right here. If we both streamed, that'd be pretty cool. That'd be interesting. Because some days we would have like the same trade going. What do you guys think? Should me and Mark stream at the same time? I think that'd be pretty sick. Gold has a 1 hour fair value gap. Mm, bros, bros asking about the miniature fair value gap. What do you think, Mark? Is it gonna hold price? Should you close your position? You guys are cooked from the 1 hour fair value gap. I'm sorry. Close your positions. No, that 1 hour fair value gap is not gonna do anything because the overall bias does not care about it at all. Live trading NQ futures not funded accounts with Marquee. Eval live trading NQ futures eval accounts with Marquee. See, you could help people pass eval accounts. Exactly. You don't look at the 1 hour when the 4 hour and daily exist. And to be honest, like when you're looking at price, this is the only thing you need to look at. Like forget all of the boxes for a second. Boom. Bang. Pow. Took out buy side, took out buy side, headed to sell side. Forget all of the squares in here. I mean they work. They were well respected, but if you're looking at the overall draw, like you don't even need to focus on fair value gaps reality. Um, asking marking. Still bearish on gold this week, yes sir. The daily time frame should see this invert soon, and then we'll see these lows get ran. Does gold have any correlation with DXY? Honestly, everything has a correlation with DXY. But it's not that important to follow it if you're just trading gold and like Nasdaq. If you're trading Euro, USD, and GBP, it's a whole other story. Like you need to focus on DXY. So like something that like we could look at directly right now. You could see how bullish we are on the dollar index, and we're starting to kind of correct. And you're seeing the opposing on gold right here, and that's usually what happens. So can you kind of predict price using DXY a little bit? Um, you definitely can, but it's not like super necessary. And also, I think indices will keep trading higher, so I think it'll be a while before we fully correct anyways. Okay, we have one singular fair value gap right here. Price is still respecting the little bit of bearishness though, so just have to wait. Ali Raza. That sounds like a Mexican name if I'm being honest. Maybe not the Ali part, but Raza? That's my cousin, bro. Smooth equal lows on gold. Yes, sir. We're gonna be doing giveaways soon. Just stay tuned. Soon, soon, soon. Or we could do cash money giveaways. What do you think, Mark? Mark's gonna fund it, so don't ask me about it. Whenever you hop on his stream, let him know that we're giving away $1,000 per every 5 viewers. I am from Pakistan. Is it? Some label it as a terrorist state. But you're not a terrorist, so I respect you. I don't care. When those futures accounts hit. A stream or in Telegram? Hit him on the stream. Honestly, you guys get like, I want to say you guys get the most attention when you guys are on streams with us. Just because like it's so much easier for us. We're already on the charts, so we could just show you whatever. Watch out, sir. I have a bomb in my pocket is crazy. Where is Marky? What's wrong with me? Just me, Chris. Chris on stream. What's wrong with that? Marky is in the comment section right now. Yeah, I'm laughing because I'm from his neighboring country. Can you teach us how to use the Gone box? The Gone box. Oh my lord. Oh my lordy Lou. He wants us to look at the Gone box. So, I mean, the only thing I have set up for the Gone box is a 0.5 area. Or you can use this one, Astral Projections. So basically, when it passes this fifth quadrant, you're going to want to buy. Look at that. Already doing better than most traders. Where's Baki Hanma? Gonbox is just the cheap version of Fib, correct? I actually have a set though. I just use the 0.5 area right here. So it looks a little silly, but in green, buy. In red, sell. India or Bangladesh. Oh my lord. That's right. Okay, that's not an actual trade, by the way. That was just the Gone box trade. Honestly, price might be respecting the new week opening gap right here. I still don't think it's a good idea to always be shorting all-time highs though. Like that's a recipe for disaster. It's better just to wait for some kind of retracement into a discount sell side and then target buy side. Where's the sauce? 2022 or 2016? Okay, I'm about to give you the sauce. I just haven't looked at ICT in a while. But there's a certain chapter that I really like on ICT. Okay, it's gonna be month. I want to say it's month 8. Okay, so if you're gonna watch any any of these chapters on the 2016 mentorship or 2017, whatever, it's 2016 and 2017. Um, this is gonna be the best one to watch because there's like it's very realistic. So he basically talks about the intraday profiles and how price moves. It's basically power of three, but he really goes in depth with it. So if you're gonna watch that one for 2022. Honestly, you should watch the full thing of 2022 mentorship, and then the month 8, and that's honestly enough to make you profitable. S&P about to sweep day opening. Hmm. What do you mean day opening? Like midnight open? Already below the true day open. So first whole 20, yes, first the entirety of the 2016 mentorship. However, the 2022 mentorship, watch that, and then the 2016 to 2017 a little bit is like nonsense, so like I wouldn't watch the entire thing, but yeah, definitely month 8 is where to go. We finally inverted this, but I'm not too interested in it because of how long it took us to invert it. It just kind of shows that price really isn't interested. Gold is indeed cooking right now. 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours should easily get down here. Okay, guys. I know it's kind of early, but probably gonna end the stream soon. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. It's kind of a slower start to the week just because we have FOMC coming up. But definitely Thursday, Friday, I'll be streaming New York game session. We could catch some more trades in there. Yeah, this AM session is pretty weak. Then, so after this, we should have another opportunity to go short. So this daily closes. More shorts. Today, both sellers and buyers are trapped. Yeah, in terms of like Nasdaq and ES, it's kind of a search and destroy kind of day. We're honestly just building up liquidity for tomorrow because tomorrow is obviously FOMC meeting minutes. So what I'm thinking is like we're gonna run one side. We're gonna because we've already built up a lot of liquidity. I have a feeling what's gonna happen is we're gonna run all of these highs. We'll probably like hop around a little bit more in here, go up and down, and then end up just running those highs. Because honestly, that's exactly what looking to. It's looking to engineer all of these highs. Like, there's no reason we need to have a stupid amount of highs like this unless they're going to be ran that day. So I honestly I'm gonna be gone Wednesday anyways, but I'm hoping we just save those highs for Thursday because after meeting minutes anyways it's usually like not that great a price action. You want to have the two-step red folder for FOMC when you're trading. That's usually where you're gonna see better price action. I want to say it's like the Fed rate, and then it's the FOMC meeting minutes, and then it's the Fed rate. Yeah, we haven't had one in a while though, so I'm not gonna look for it. But when it's the two-step, that's where you get it's like the 2 p.m. EST and then the 2:30 p.m. EST. That's usually where you get good price action. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. Y'all have a good day and don't blow any accounts. See you later.